Hi.
So what trailer are we doing?
This is Escalator to Hell. It's a completely optional trail on Hell's Revenge. Not for the faint at heart or people that have fenders or want their doors and hardtops to stay on their Jeep. If you don't have those, this is the trail for you. Yeah. I'm trying. She puckered a little. No, I'm walking up the side here. Nope. Hey, I'm gonna try to unlock the front end.
Hey, can we head back to the house? I gotta change my underwear.
Well, last year we walked right up that. Not quite so much this year, but hey, we did it.
We're not dead. That's a good thing, right?